From the 3 daily habits to increase sales motivation, we bring you a statistical analysis of the 12 key drivers of extremely productive people. Now, of the behaviors studied in an extreme productivity research, 12 rose to the top as key drivers of extreme productivity. In short, a key driver statistical analysis allows you to identify factors that have the strongest impact on outcome variable. In this case, it was analyzed that work habits and behaviors determine whether or not they have outcomes of productivity, performance, happiness, and even job satisfaction. So here are the key drivers of the extreme productivity presented in order of the key drivers most exhibited by the extremely productive. So if you want to increase productivity, these behaviors will help. So, point number 1, they hold themselves accountable. In other words, I hold myself accountable for what I'm doing and what I tell myself I'm going to do. They are very proactive. I am very proactive. Point number 3, they have productive habits overall. In other words, my work habits contribute significantly to being extremely productive. Point number 4, they sustain energy. I regularly sustain energy for long periods of time. Point number 5, a highly debatable task. I am a multitasker. Within limits, of course. We've tested this often enough. Maximize investment time, point number 6. I spend the maximum amount of my time possible on activities that will drive the best results and success. Point number 7, get into the zone. When concentrating, I regularly enter the zone, a state of extreme productivity. Do not disturb, get stuck on the back of a chair. Point number 8, start with the greatest impact activity. I begin work every day on the activity that will actually contribute most to my overall success. Recover when derailed? Well, it's up to me to recover quickly when I'm derailed from being productive. Calendar your investment activities. I block off time on my calendar every week to work on my most important activities. Point number 11, have written goals. I have clearly defined written goals and objectives for both short and long term. Vision boards, folks. How many more times do we need to tell you about these? And do not react to others' agendas. I feel like I'm constantly reacting to other people's agendas and not driving my own. For data analysis, we use the inverse of this question. In other words, not reacting to other agendas. So, that was 12 key drivers of the extremely productive. Got them?